Look at this happy boy, huh? Ooh.
Bit of a kill.
So guys, we've got some really interesting content today. Now, I'm not sure if you guys remember Jay. I always talk about Jay. He's one of my close friends. He's actually with me right now in the car. And he's come to like a point where his car is now fully built and it's ready to be picked up. Now, if you guys don't know his engine bay combination color, it is beautiful. It is so amazing. And when you guys see it, I'm hoping you guys don't just like get your computer screen wet, because it's going to be epic. So stay tuned. We're about to go pick up his crazy S15. How you feeling, Jay?
Happy, but exciting, but a bit worried due to the weather right now. But
So
we'll see how that goes.
Right now it is pouring down rain. Now, he doesn't have windscreen wipers, which is a bit questionable when picking it up in the rain. He's got semi-slicks in the rear as well, which is also, again, quite questionable. But we're running down to one of the shops to go get some Rain-X. So when we are driving through the rain, it just beads off the windscreen like a smooth as a baby's bottom. So we're going to catch up with you shortly. And I hope you guys enjoy today's clip, because as I said, it's going to be so epic. I'm so excited to see this thing fully built after like 6 months.
No, it's like, oh well, yeah, the build process was like around there, but the whole car was off the road for like a while, wasn't it?
A long while.
Yeah.
A long while.
But Henry did do an amazing job in getting it done like quickly. Yeah, he smashed it out like day and night, so super grateful for that, or for him at least. Thank you, bro.
All right, let's do it. Guys, we're now in Jay Hang's S15. You can tell here by the red Recaros. It's quite nice. I really want to show you guys the outside, so I'm probably going to do some B-roll on that shit, so you guys will be able to see. But this is Jay's first. Is this your first drive, bro? In it since it's been done?
No, it's like my second.
Oh, second. Wait. I gotta put on my seatbelt, man. I don't want to die today. Wait, seatbelt's not on. It's not bad. It sounds really loud and aggressive. Yeah, my goodness.
It is a 4-inch straight, so I hope it's warmed up.
Oh, it's getting foggy, isn't it? No.
Still cold.
Is it still cold?
Yeah.
Ah. Wow, that alignment is bad. Well, congratulations for getting it all ready.
No, yeah, well thanks to Henry, obviously. Smashed it all out.
So guys, if you aren't aware, this is the infamous 2JZ S15 with the black and gold motor. We need to pop that motor so you guys can see it soon. It just looks hella delicious. Now, Henry's done some really nice touches on this down at Motor Lab, just to make it look so perfect. Now, I hope you guys appreciate it as much as I do when you guys actually see it. Woo! It sounds so magical, bro.
G42, baby.
How does it feel?
Well, it's good, but right now it's just limited to 5k RPM, so I can't really like give it all, everything. See how like the limiter comes on really quickly?
Yeah.
But
yeah,
that's just running tune, that's how it is. So I'm just gonna have to like.
It sounds so aggressive for running tunes. Now you can smack some K20 Hondas even with this 5k rev limiter.
Let's get back to your car.
It's like a little kid who's had his new toy.
Very expensive toy, huh?
Very expensive toy. That's sick. How good does that sound, guys? Can you just hear it whistling? Amazing. Amazing.
I can't stay.
Look at this happy boy, huh?
It's been too long.
Oofed. So guys, we finally get to check out Jay's S15. It's been just so long. Now I hope you guys enjoyed those small cinematics that I had going on. But man, this thing's been done tip to toe. Just look at that color combination, it's so nice. Bro, what made you go with like black and gold, like out of all colors?
I don't know, just I don't really see too many like gold accent on
Gold equals baller, yeah? In short, he belongs to the baller crew, so
just wanna,
the flex crew.
Be like, the fuck is that?
So he pretty much got the entire motor rebuilt, very similar to mine. However, he's gone a little bit more than me. So he's gone with the better rods, a bigger turbo, the Hypertune intake manifold, and he's had a little bit more machining done internally with the VVTi motor. So this thing is like crazy. It's only running small power at the moment, like 370 kilowatts, just as a run-in. Now we don't want to run it past like what 5k RPM, so we can get a proper run-in kind of thing, so no damage gets done like to mine kind of thing. But yeah, looks like it's coming together really well.
That's it. Let's see where it goes next.
Yeah, go for it, bro.
Hope this is a good size.
So everything all together paired up with his LM GT4s and the gold turbo and the black bloody gold color scheme. Everything works really well, bro. I fucking love it. Thanks. It's amazing.
Yeah, it worked out quite well. Not bad, can't complain.
And it's too much money, huh?
I'm done, that's it.
You're done?
What you see now, that's the final result.
So when you guys look at this, you should just know that there's just dollar signs everywhere in this vehicle, like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollar signs, thousands actually.
Tens of thousands. Oh well, she's gonna be back into storage, and that's it. No time to drive it.
That's it. Man, that sounds so loud.
Yeah.
Bro, your neighbour's gonna hate you.
Yeah.
We're all the neighbours hating us crew, yeah?
Gotta get some sort of Varex for a day.
So guys, that's his full 4-inch exhaust gone off its head. Now it's really loud. While I was sitting in my car, I couldn't tell if my car was on because his car was that loud. But it just sounds so blissful and amazing. So when I look at my S15 now, I don't realize, like, I realize how stock my car looks compared to his. Yeah, so it's kind of like a bit of a soft spot now, you know.
I can't stay.
So in short, that is Jay's S15. Pretty cool car, guys. Pretty cool car. So if you guys see it on the street, make sure you go check it out because the thing is an absolute monster. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching today, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. So peace out.